Hi, I'm Takeda-Hughes, and I am going to develop a team that will help resolve the issues of a food desert. Now, from part one, I had said that the main cause of a food desert was corporations are investing in apps and ads to increase their sales and profit. New advancements in technology equals more money for a corporation. So what I have come up with is my project is called a Food Oasis project, where to combat the food desert problem, I want to create a community garden, a modernized grocery store that caters to local farmers, bakers, butchers, fishermen, and any other local small business owners that sell food and drinks, and have farmers markets on Sundays where the community can come together and sell local foods and goods. Also partner with local schools to have our food distribute breakfast and lunch for the students. My vision inside of the store is that all the food will be locally sourced, meaning no product will be owned by any of the top 10 companies that control all the food in the world. There will be a juice and a coffee bar where customers can download an app for quick and easy access to ordering their drinks. There will also be a hot deli and bakery. To keep up with the competitor stores, there will be a delivery service where customers can order their items online and have their groceries delivered to their homes, or they can have the option to have employees shop for them and they could just pick their items up and go. Lastly, there will be a live studio kitchen where local chefs can do live demonstrations to showcase how to prepare quick and easy healthy meals for a family or for individual people. And finally, there will be experts to teach about the importance of healthy foods and nutrition. The videos will be posted on our social media pages where the community can get involved and engage in the comment section of the videos. So the 5 stages of coming up with my project will be, the first one will be forming. So I will develop a team and everybody's going to come together to meet about the roles of the project. Next will be brainstorming. So this is the stage where the team gets to understand the goals and the objection of the project, of the Food Oasis project. Next is norming. This is the stage where the roles and duties are established among who will do which tasks and the responsibilities. Next will be performing. This is the step where we get to finally put all the pieces into action. So we will have to renovate an empty parking lot and turn that into our garden or our greenhouse garden, and we will remodel an abandoned building and turn that into the grocery store. And lastly will be the adjourning stage. Once the project is open to the public for business, there will be monthly meetings conducted where the team can evaluate the progression of the project. We will focus on areas of improvement and dismantle areas that aren't working how it was intended to. So next would be the 4 management functions. First part is planning. There will be a daily, weekly, and monthly meetings to go over land, property, resources, and costs. Each employee will have their own responsibilities. Next would be leading. To motivate employees, there will be raises and bonuses and opportunities to move around within the company, learn in different areas and positions of the business, an opportunity for growth. Next will be organizing. The members on the team will have their own area of expertise. Different departments require a specific type of person who is qualified for that role. And lastly will be controlling. So monitor activities and make connections. We will monitor the employees' work and performance, and we'll make any adjustments needed for the betterment of the company. And then we have the management resources, which is materials. So for the materials that we need for this project is going to be land. We're going to need the space to have an area for the actual garden and for the store itself. So that's why I was thinking of having like an abandoned building, because if this is in an inner city, there's a lot of abandoned parking lots and buildings that we could just save money and just renovate that, dig it up, put soil and dirt for the garden, and then we could just use the building, renovate it, and to make that into a grocery store. The next resource will be human resources, and this is the people. So the people who will run the business, and in return, pay them in wages. Next will be financial resources. With the money of the project, we will use to pay the employees and put the rest back into the store and the garden. And finally is the informational resources. We will have meetings to discuss the business of the other 3 resources and how effectively they are being combined and used. Thank you.